Hello, hello. Okay, I have lots of bottles of Thieves in my house because it's my favorite non-toxic cleaner. A big bottle of concentrate like this will make 29 of these bottles. So this is a concentrate, it's a super great value. I'm gonna show you one of the best ways to boost up your Thieves Cleaner. Now this smells amazing by itself, and you don't have to do this, but I have found it's one of the more fun things, one of the more fun DIYs. So to make a regular bottle of just all-purpose cleaner, you just use a capful of the cleaner, okay? And then you fill the rest with water. And you can stop there and you have a really great non-toxic cleaner for your house. But I'm gonna show you how you can amp it up a little bit. It's kind of like making a diffuser recipe, but for your Thieves Cleaner. So let me show you. One of my favorite combos is to add Northern Lights Black Spruce and Christmas Spirit. Together, this is one of my favorite combos in the diffuser. It's also one of my favorite combos in my cleaner. So I use about like 10 to 20 drops total. So I'm gonna do probably about 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm gonna do 10 each in here. You don't have to use that much. It just smells so good. And I'm not kidding. You will find yourself spraying stuff down just because it smells so good, okay? So it's just really, really easy. Give it a couple shakes. Guys, countertops, sinks, refrigerator, stovetop, anything, toilets, anything. It smells so good. I will also share a recipe to make pumpkin spice cleaner if that's your jam too. So I hope this tip was helpful.